Disciplines and ideas in the social sciences. Now we will discuss the discipline of political science. After discussing this topic, you will be able to connect the discipline of political science with its historical and social foundations, compare and contrast the social sciences according to their fields, articulate the key concepts in political science, and articulate the current applications of linguistics. Political science is the study of political power relations, behavior, and activities as well as systems of government from a domestic, international, and comparative perspective. Traditionally, the study of political science focuses primarily on the state and its institutions. The contemporary study of political science, however, has a broader and more encompassing approach as it deals with societal, cultural, and psychological factors that affect the political system. The term politics is derived from the Greek word politikos, which means of, for, or relating to citizens, or in Aristotelian terms, affairs of the cities. In the broader sense, politics is the theory and practice of influencing other people. In the narrow sense, it is the theory or principle of organizing control or governance over a people, community, or state. There are different fields of political science. First, we have the comparative politics. This field studies the differences and similarities of the political systems of the world in an empirical manner. It is not focused on analyzing particular countries, but it is more of a method of analysis. Comparative foreign policy and comparative government are some of its specific fields. Then we have the political philosophy. This is the root from which political science sprouted from. The most notable concepts in political philosophy include justice, law, rights, and government. Political philosophy as a field of study covers theories from the ancient past to postmodern thoughts on politics. Then we have the public law. This field in political science focuses on the legal concerns between the state and the people, such as constitutional law and administrative law. Although the field appears to be focused on the study of law, it is in fact interdisciplinary in approach as it inquires on how the implementation of state laws directly affect individuals. Then we have the key concepts in political science. First, we have the power. This is an important concept where relations are based on. Power is the capacity to influence other, may it be state, a non-state, or an individual actor. From this concept of power, questions such as authority, rights, and justice emerge. These questions can be analyzed historically, comparatively, or even philosophically. Then we have the politics. It is the state's exercise of power and management of internal issues and international concerns. Then we have the state. It is an organized political community under one government. It consists of four elements, namely territory, sovereignty, government, and people. The definition of state also differs from period to period and even within the same period of time. But for the purpose of this module, the Oxford English Dictionary provides a simple definition of the state as an organized political community under one government. Then we have the current applications in political science. We have the public administration. This discipline tackles the management and implementation of government policies. Public administration also studies the organizational structure of the government, the programs it formulated for its people, and the public officials who are tasked to deploy such programs. Then we have the international relations. International relations is an interdisciplinary field of study which covers the interaction of international state and non-state actors. Areas of interest in this field include international law, international economics, international war and terrorism, and international organizations. The discipline of political science was conceived due to the need for transparency in the governance of individuals within a society. Various theorists in this discipline engage in the production of knowledge and guidelines that could guide leaders in their governance. Today, political science remains relevant as it continues to provide conceptual tools in understanding the interplay of power and politics among nations and their leaders. That ends about the discipline of political science.